What is up guys, welcome to another video and you're watching CB Tech King Live here. So previously on the channel we have been covering all the news related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, but yesterday Samsung Galaxy Note 9 was officially launched and it's the time for us now to discuss its official specifications. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. So the Samsung is coming off a disappointing launch for its Samsung Galaxy S9, but that doesn't mean the company is shaking things up for its next major smartphone. The Galaxy Note 9 is officially being announced and the Samsung is doubling down on everything that the Note series represent: productivity and performance. It has the best specs you will find in any flagship Android phone. The screen is bigger, its S Pen has more tricks than ever before, and the battery is huge. Oh, and the Samsung Deck software is now built right into the phone, no dock required, so you can plug into any external display for a desktop-like experience. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be sold in two configurations. There will be a 128GB of model along with 6GB of RAM, and it would be priced at $999, and a top tier 512GB along with 8GB of RAM version will be priced for $1,250. Pre-orders will begin today on August 10th and the phone will be available on August 24 at the all major carriers or direct from Samsung. Furthermore, by looks alone, the Note 9 is nearly identical to its predecessor, save for the rear fingerprint sensor that it has been moved to a more sensible spot below the camera. All of Samsung's other hardware signatures like water resistance, fast wireless charging, expandable micro SD card storage, and a headphone jack are still here. So is the Bixby button for that matter. Toss a 512GB micro SD card into the 512GB Note 9 and you'll have a massive storage phone with 1TB of storage. The Note 9 ships with Android 8.1 Oreo and the same user experience as the Samsung's last several phones. Samsung Pay is still present and having the ability to mimic credit cards' magnetic stripe at stores where NFC payments don't always work in a nice fallback. Last year's Note felt like a truly monstrous phone, and this one is no different. It's bigger than what you picture big phones to be. If you're looking for one-handed efficiency, you're looking in the wrong place, but in exchange for giving that up, you'll enjoy a giant Super AMOLED Quad HD Plus screen. It's phenomenal to look at as always. The Note 9 also has a really nice matte aluminum with chamfered edges, just like the old school Samsung Galaxy Note 5. Talking about the battery is a very important component of any smartphone, and the Note 9 is featuring a 4000 mAh battery, which is the largest battery that's been in a Note ever. It also eclipses many of today's other Android flagships, while the Note 7 recall disaster is in Samsung's rear view mirror. And yes, the Note 9 battery has been checked through various multi-points, meaning safety check, and it has also been confirmed by outside companies. So yes, the company came ready for your exploding jokes. So after battery, the most important component of any smartphone is its processor, which runs all of the beast. So like the S9, the Note 9 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor, but this time around Samsung says it has made optimizations to the GPU, and get this, there is a new water cooling system inside the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9 so that your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 could stay cool while intensive gaming, and yes, so that it can't explode. So now let's talk about the camera for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, as it matters for many of the users including me as well, because many of the users always ask about the camera before they purchase any type of phone. So Samsung pulled the Note 9's camera system straight out of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You get the same 12 megapixel cameras, dual ones, and with the aperture of f1.5 or f2.4 trick with the primary wide angle camera, meaning that they will have an adjustable aperture just like the S9 Plus. Both lenses have optical image stabilization. For the Note, Samsung is focusing its camera improvements on the software and artificial intelligence. So finally, now after discussing all the specifications and the features which you are going to get in the Note 9 and it's official now, this video finally comes to an end. So thanks for watching the video guys. If you people enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for future quality tech videos. Peace out.